Which Drake song is your favorite? It's a question with multiple answers depending on who you ask. Whether you like sad Drake, boastful Drake, or both, the Toronto rapper's career has something for everyone. Do you like how Hotline Bling came out of nowhere? Have you danced to In My Feelings? Or felt the melancholy through Hold On, We're Going Home? Despite your Drake song choices, have you ever wondered how rich he is to own a $100 million mansion? Well, don't worry, because for today's video, I'll take you inside Drake's $100 million mansion. But before anything else, make sure to subscribe to this channel and smash that notification bell beside it to be notified whenever we post a new video. Okay, enough with all the introduction. Again, this is inside Drake's $100 million mansion, brought to you by the Luxe Luxury channel. Drake's net worth is slightly more than $180 million, but he does appear on the Forbes Top 10 Musician Rich list, ranking 8th after West, Dr. Dre, Eminem, P. Diddy, and Master P. Drake has 6 studio albums to his credit and is the highest certified digital singles artist in the United States, having sold 142 million units in total. Not only that, Drake also co-owns the clothing firm October's Very Own, a record label, and a radio station, in addition to being an ambassador for the NBA Toronto's Raptors. The rapper also has an impressive real estate portfolio, which includes a mansion in Toronto and the Hidden Hills Estate, which contains 3 nearby residences. Given this amount of money, it is no surprise that he will invest in a house that not only brings comfort, but also luxury. So moving forward to what's really the catch for Drake's mansion, let me start off by saying that Drake's opulent home measures 50,000 square feet and has facilities such as an NBA regulation-size indoor basketball court, capped by a 21 square foot pyramidal skylight. Instead of vast swaths of cheap drywall and mountains of ungainly furniture upholstered with a hot glue gun, stately Drake Manor, as envisioned by Canadian architectural and interior designer Ferris Raffaoli, is a marvel of old-world craftsmanship made of limestone, bronze, exotic woods, and noble materials. Every aspect of the huge estate has been meticulously planned and implemented, and there isn't a Scarface poster to be found. In fact, Drake said that, "Because I was building it in my hometown, I wanted the structure to stand firm for 100 years. I wanted it to have a monumental scale and feel. It will be one of the things I leave behind, so it had to be timeless and strong." What a promising statement by Drake. On to the house's architecture. It is dubbed as the Embassy, because the house is inspired by traditional Beaux Arts architecture, which has been distilled and slightly abstracted in order to inject the classic style with a more contemporary spirit. The structure is a proper 19th century limestone mansion in shape, materials, and craftsmanship. However, the outside profiles are more simple and the lines are cleaner, says Raffaoli, who has his own luxury design or build firm in Ontario. "It isn't stucco, paint, or phony gold. This is not what Drake desired, and it is not what I do." Moreover, Raffaoli characterizes the crazy sexy cool interiors as contemporary Art Deco, referring to a classic historical design that has been altered and revived to reflect the spirit of the era as well as his high-profile client's DNA. "Once you've decided on a style, you may dance within that style," says the designer. "It is an overwhelming high luxury," Drake insists. The size of the rooms as well as the materials and details of the floors and ceilings convey this message. "I wanted to make sure that the people could see the effort I'd done over the years mirrored from every angle." The grandeur of the rooms, in fact, sets the tone for the home experience from the moment one enters the massive entry hall, which is encased in solid limestone with inserts of Nero Marquina marble beneath a faceted ceiling of ancient mirror framed in bronze. The enormous room, which soars to 44 feet in height, amplifies the sound even further. A bespoke concert piano is designed in collaboration with Japanese artist Takashi Murakami and Raffaoli by the venerable Austrian piano maker Bossendorfer, sits nestled within a portal defined by floor-to-ceiling panels of Macassar ebony set alongside bronze screens fronting more antique mirror at one end of the space. Drake's world completely revolves around music, so he wasn't going to buy just any piano. This prized possession is an authentic marriage of artistry, craft, and quality, Raffaele said. The Great Room's second jewel is a massive version of Lobmeer's famed Metropolitan chandelier, which was originally created by Hans Harald Rath for the Viennese maker to decorate the Metropolitan Opera in New York City in 1963. With over 20,000 hand-cut Swarovski crystal pieces, the spectacular light sculpture is the world's second largest installation of its sort. The lavish Canary Yellow Lounge, which, like several other spaces in the house, can be seen in Drake's videos for his songs like When to Say When, Chicago Freestyle, and Tootsie Slide. It features a foliate ceiling of concentric backlit hexagonal panels wrapped in Alcantara faux suede, with a massive Venini glass sunburst chandelier dropped from its center. The designer specifically created the furnishings here, as well as throughout the residence, in materials ranging from colored ostrich skin and mohair to macassar and bronze. Furthermore, God, as always, is in the details. The bed and bed base, which weigh almost 1 ton, cost more than many people's whole homes, are from Raffaele's new Grand Vividus range for Hassans. On the other side of the headboard, which is enhanced with an antique mirror and channel tufted leather, is a whiskey and champagne bar. The nightstands are inlaid in mother of pearl, and the bedding features an Alexander McQueen hummingbird tapestry from the Rug Company. The master bath's focal point is a 4,000 tub fashioned from a single block of faceted black marble. Drake's 2-story closet is as striking, with amethyst hardware, rock crystal, and chairs upholstered in diamond-tufted shearling with polished nickel studs. It's the ideal setting for the musician's vest wardrobe, sneaker collection, and Hermès bags that he's been amassing for years. And the blows keep on coming. There's the world-class recording studio, which Drake compares to eccentric 1970s studios mixed with Annabelle's in London. The well-used kitchen, which includes the first stove from Raffaele's new Le Cornu line. The awards room, which tells Drake's story from his childhood to his years on the Canadian television show Degrassi, The Next Generation, and to his reign as a Grammy-winning artist, and the Hall of Sports jerseys displayed in museum-like vitrines. When looking over the splendors of his Canadian pleasure palace, Drake takes a long view. I think the house indicates that I have true faith in myself to take on this endeavor when I was only 27 and see it through. The now 33-year-old singer says, I also believe the house implies that I will always be solid in the place where I was born. Well, you have to admit, that is truly inspiring. So, what are your thoughts about Drake's $100 million mansion? Does the price give justice to what's inside and outside it? Does his mansion truly represent a home of a superstar? Let me know your answers in the comments section below. Well, I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you obtained interesting information from this, make sure to like and share it with your friends. Also, don't forget to subscribe to this channel and hit that notification bell to never ever miss a video we'll upload next. If you want more videos like this one, make sure to check out our other videos by visiting our channel. Again, this is the Luxe Luxury channel. Thank you for watching and see you next time.